All right, so we have the sternal vest and the quick release system. We're going to show you how to install it. First, we remove this out, grab this out. So you see this is the front, this is the back with the Safari label. So what you do is pull this up, remove this, remove that. So yeah, open. Okay, leave this open, and then you take the quick release system. It doesn't matter, either side is fine. Remove this strap, put it up here. This side, go down. I would say about 3/4 inch or about an inch. Put it like that. Line up. Same thing on this side. You line up. You see how both sides are the same? Then you're done. So this, just close it back down. And then now you fold this side. Don't use the first line, use the second group right there. First you push this up, push this down. This side goes up. And then this also goes down. All right, just wiggle this just to make sure it's not clogged or anything like that. And then the strap, I would prefer to put it this side so it hold the two side down, so it won't be like pull when you have force and pull it off. So that's what I do. I put this here. This goes in here. This goes in here. And push this down. And this push it back. Voila, done. So you just open it like this. You open it this side, just pull it in a little bit so it'll stay down. All right. And then the inside cummerbund is like that. You can adjust this. Make sure it's to your size, to the comfortable. All right. There you go. And do the same thing on this side. Fold it back. Push this in. Push this in. That goes in. And this goes down. Wiggle a little bit. Okay. All right. Put this in this way. But this goes down here. This goes down here. And this goes down here. Fold it back, and unlock. This is it. Okay. All right. So when you're trying to lock it, just push it straight down. Lock it. This little tassel, I recommend to hide it so you don't want anybody to touch it when you are wearing it. Same thing this side. Line up, pull in, and you're set. Just hide this little tassel, and you are all set. The vest is done. Okay? The back, if you need to adjust it to a larger size, just open this up. All right? You can move this either way you want this when you go out, just make it bigger. When you go in here, make it smaller. So whatever size that needs that you need, and just adjust it. And then push it down all the way to this webbing. Let's see. You just snap it in. All right, just do the same thing on this side. This is the same way, so you don't really need it unless you really need to adjust it to a bigger size. Otherwise, yeah, voila, that's it. Done.